guys, and welcome back to Legoland. And in today's video we are going to make a mini and easy helicopter. So the first pieces you will need is two of these, and two of these, two of these, 2x4, and a piece like this. Okay, take this piece, take the 2x4, put them here. Take both of them and stack them on top of each other. Then you take these pieces here, put them like that on both sides. Then you take these pieces here, put them here on the bottom. And then you put these pieces here. This is going to be your first piece. Put that aside. Your next piece is going to be the side ones. So you will need a piece like this. Well, two pieces like this. Two pieces like this. And two pieces like this. And like that. Okay? So we will take this piece here, connect, see this? Connect this part, not that one, this part, the second one. So it's going to be like that. Should be like that. Then you connect this piece here on the other side. Okay, then you take this piece and this piece and put the light on one side. And then you connect it like this. Bullseye. And then I said you need two of them because you'll need for both sides. Okay? Take the piece we built and put it on the sides like this. Okay? Wait. Okay, like that. Okay? Then we will need a brick like this. Two pieces like that. Okay, and one piece like this. A piece like this. And a piece like that. And one piece like this. Okay, then you take this piece and you take this piece and just put them on top of each other. Like that. Then you take the brick, put this piece here in front. You take this piece here, put them here on the sides. Then you take this piece, put it here in the front. And the last piece here, like that. Then, of course, we will eventually connect them, but we will need a separate piece for that. And that piece is going to be a 2x6. Take the 2x6, put here on the bottom. And, of course, there's going to be room, so you just poke it in there. Okay. And we will connect. That's a little hard to connect it, but you'll get it. You guys will get it. Okay. Then we will put some stuff on it. Put that aside. Now you can take a piece like this, a grill piece like that. 2 pieces like this. Well, like that. Then you will need a piece like that, a 2x3 and a 2x4. Take the 2x4 and take the grill piece, and no, take this piece here and put the grill piece on top of it, like that. Then you take these pieces here, connect them. Okay. You take the 2x4, connect this piece here, back here. No. Take the 2x3 and connect this here on top. Then you put this here, and you put this back here, like that. Then you take your last piece and just put it here on top, like that. Okay. Then we will need the stand. You'll need a piece like this, a piece like this, or 2 of pieces like that, and 2 pieces like this, like the 6 buds. You take these 2 pieces, put them like that, and just connect them here. Connect them, leaving 1 space both sides. Then same thing on the other side. That. And then you just put it here on the bottom. Like that. And then we have the back part here missing, and the propellers. So to that we will need 2 cone pieces, a piece like this, a piece, 4 pieces like this, okay, and a 2x4. Take the 2x4, put all these 4 pieces here. Okay, like that. You take this piece, put it here on the top, put the cone pieces here, and put them in the back. Then you put this piece right there. Okay. Then we will need the back piece. We will need a piece like that, piece like this, a very small feller, a piece where you connect the wheels, a light, and a grill, and this piece, and like that. Okay, this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, okay? Take the 10 buds piece, you put this piece here on the end, like so. Then you'll put this piece here on the opposite side, and you'll put the propeller on it. You need the light here in the back, Okay? Actually, you just put this here on the other side. Like, no. You take this piece, and this piece, put this here on the end, leaving one bud, and just connect it to the second one, like that. Okay? Then, of course, you will need the propeller here, like that on top, and one missing right there. Or you can also put this piece here if you don't want any missing. You can just put this here and just connect it. And there you go, that looks better. And then first you just put the grill piece right there. Then you take this piece here and just connect it. Okay, this here, this part should go right there, and this should go on top here. There we go. And then you will need this piece. Put it on top here. You will need 4 pieces like this, and 4 pieces like that. Connect them together. You should have 4 of them. Okay? And of course, you just connect them on the top, one by one. And there you go. You have your cute, small looking helicopter right there. Nice, isn't it? Okay? So, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this Lego Planet, and please subscribe, leave comments down below. Please share this video with your friends and family. And yeah, and see you guys in the next video.